Baby Kai. I'm your Tita Kay, and I think you're a baby girl.
Baby Kai, I think you're a girl like me. Hi, Baby Kai. This is Tita Jane, and I think you're a baby girl. I can't wait to see you next year. Stay healthy. Listen to your mom and dad. I love you.
Hi, Baby Kyle. I'm your Tita Glenn, and I am guessing that you are a baby boy. Boy. Yes. Stay healthy. We will see you next year, and we are all excited to see you and hug you. See you. Stay safe and stay healthy. Dyan sa mommy mo. Bye. Hi, Baby Kai. I think you're a girl.
The Lagunero family is Team Boy. Congratulations! Wishing your growing family with endless love, sweet moments together, lifetime of happiness. Remember that your baby is already loved. He or she is precious. We wish you good health, Kim, and the baby good health as well. We hope that you will be healthy all throughout until your delivery. Congratulations! God bless!
1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Baby Kai. I think you are a boy.
A girl.
Boy yan, boy.
No, daddy,
Boy.
it's a girl.
No, it's a boy.
It's a baby girl.
No, it's a boy.
No, it's a baby girl.
It's a boy. It's a
Yeah,
boy.
you say girl. Say girl. Hi, baby. Say hi to the baby. Hi. We are a baby girl, team girl.
No, team boy. Congratulations pala, ayan. So, wala akong maisip na paano siya magiging creative. So, ang pinaka naisip ko na lang is mag-survey na lang ako dito sa bahay. Ayan, sinend ko na yung picture ni baby dito sa sa GC namin sa bahay. Ayan. Survey tayo. Let's do it. Wow. O ano po yan? Lalaki o babae? Congrats!
Baby girl o baby boy?
Nakikita.
Palagay niyo hula niyo, baby girl o baby boy?
Boy! O, yan ba? Yan yung ultrasound niya. Sa tingin nyo, ano yan? Boy o girl?
Boy ako, boy. Team
Ayan.
boy. Boy ako.
Boy.
Nakagreen ako.
Hi, Jasper and Kim. I love you both and congratulations. I think Baby Kai is, drum roll, baby boy.
Hello, boss and wife. First of all, congratulations for you both on this beautiful blessing and exciting journey into parenthood. My guess is Baby Kai is a boy. But honestly, syempre, whether Baby Kai is a boy or a girl, what truly matters is safe delivery for mommy and a healthy baby, happy baby. Wishing your family lots of love, happiness, and memories ahead. Can't wait for the big reveal. Sending love and greetings all the way from Melbourne. So, kita naman tayo soon, please. Can't wait to see baby, mommy, and you, boss. Bye-bye.
Hi, Baby Kai. I am your older cousin, Macbeth, and I think you're a boy.
Hi, Baby Kai. I'm your Tita Pretty, and I think you're a girl.
Hi, Baby Kai. I'm your grandmom. I think you are a baby boy, but whatever you will be, I love you.
Hello, Baby Kai. I am Tito Maiko.
And I am Tita Shannon, and we think you are a girl.
Girl!
Hi there! Talagang dito ako. Pumili ako ng magandang spot at dahil kasi lang tayo dyan, safety lang tayo ngayon. Okay, for today's video, hi Kimi and Japs! Yan! Excited yan! Happy and congratulations! Wait lang, happy congratulations. Basta yun na yun, alam ko masaya ako para sa inyong dalawa. At masaya ako kasi pinagkaloob ni Lord ang inyong dinadasal. so happy na tuloy na si Baby Kai. Baby Kai, ilang months na lang at makikita mo na ang pinakamaganda mong tita. So ngayon, at dahil sa gender reveal nyo, ang hula ko ay I think it's a girl! Kahit na naka-blue ako. Pero it's a girl kasi si Kimi, ano siya, sige na nga, maganda siya. Kasi sabi nila kapag daw pangit, pag daw boy, nangingit yung mga kilikili, yung leeg, ang batok, ang ilong. So si Kimi parang ngayon hindi naman. So I think it's a girl. Sorry, 1 minute na to. Yun lang, bye!
Hi to Kim and Japs. Hello. Hi Kim, hi Japs. So, yung mga playmates ko sa US, I want to congratulate both of you. And this is the best news ever. So, ngayon, nire-require kasi ako ni Kim na mag-video bago niya sabihin sa akin kung anong gender ni Baby Kai. To say, hi Baby Kai, I think you're what? So, ayun. So, are you a baby girl? Or are you a baby boy? So, for me, where you are, whoever you will be, what we want is just a healthy baby. Ano ka kaya? Pero team boy ako.
Hi there, Baby Kai. This is your Tito Jeff, and I think you are going to be a healthy baby girl. But it doesn't matter whether you are a boy or a girl. I am so excited to welcome you as a new member of our family. I'm so excited to see you.
Hi, Baby Kai. I'm Tita Ai. I'm your mommy's sister. And boy or girl? Wait lang, meron ako dito. Boy or girl? Are you a boy or are you a girl? Well, I don't mind, okay? Kung babae ka o lalaki. Ang alam ko lang, you are already loved by us, okay? So, I can't wait to see you. Can't wait to babysit you. I can't wait na paiyakin ka. Yes, paiyakin ka. Joke lang. Bye-bye.
Hello, hi Baby Kai. I'm your Lolo Lito. I think you are a boy, healthy boy.
Hello, Baby Kyle. I'm your Lola Malu. Or call me Lola Lu. I think you're a girl.
BFF and Jobs, congratulations! Masaya ako para sa inyo. Just keep Jesus the center of your relationship and sa pagpapalaki kay Kayan sa mga susunod na babies nyo. Masaya-masaya ako and I can't wait to see you guys next year. So, ciao! Ciao, ciao, ciao! Love you guys!
Message for my baby sister. Of course, you know that I love you, my Seng-Seng. And I'm happy that ito na siya. Okay, bumalik na si Baby Kai. And message ko na sa'yo and kay Japs actually, sa inyong dalawa, na nandito lang ako and hindi kayo mag-isa na nagpapalaki kay Kai. We have God, we have our parents, we have our families, and actually nandito ako. Okay, my service is for lifetime subscription. So, nandito lang ako pag gusto nyo mag-babysit ako, pag gusto nyo mag-date and all. And basta meron akong room dun sa house nyo. And what else? Kung gusto nyo ng free tutorial, sige lang, grab ako na. Kung gusto nyo siyang i-enroll dito, sige na, go na. And for free yun lahat, okay? Kasi love ko kayong dalawa ni Jobs. Ano pa ba? Gusto nyo ako na rin magluto ng almusal nyo pag nandun, ako na rin magpalit ng diaper, ganyan. Well, kidding aside, I know that aligned na to ni God. Lahat to, planado niya. And just remember that we need to surrender everything. We don't need to worry because His plan is better than our plans. Okay? And wala. Basta smooth lang. I pray that you will have a normal delivery and claim na natin yan. And of course, sa'yo din, yung body mo, yung physically, emotionally prepared ka. And after that, gusto ko na
na gumaling ka. Okay? Kasi iba daw kapag sa yung body ng nanay. Well, hindi ko pa na-try, pero yun nga sabi nila. So, yun lang, and hope to see you soon. I love you, my sing-sing.
Hello, Kim. Oh, Kim, mag-iingat ka. Dala-dala mo yung apo ko. Take care. I love you.
Hello ka, bebe. Meron ka na ng baby, si baby ka. Be patient sa pag-aalaga sa kanya. At i-normal mo yan. Dahil ako tatlong na normal ko. Okay?
Now you gotta let everybody know back home. Your dad will be after you. Junior. Not junior.
Congrats, Kim. Congrats. Yay! The best.